Hello everyone. The topic today we are going to discuss is kidney cancer. So our main learning objectives will be what what is kidney and its importance in our body. Then what is kidney cancer and what are the signs and symptoms that show that a person is having a kidney cancer. What are the main classifications of kidney cancer? Are its types? What tests and investigations are carried out to diagnose kidney cancer? What is the treatment plan for the kidney cancer? We will start our lecture from the introduction of kidney. These are bean-shaped organs located in the abdomen. They are actually two in number on each side of vertebral column. You can see the shape of kidney. It's just like a bean. Its main functions are maintaining water balance in the body. It also maintains blood pressure by maintaining salts and water balance. It removes urea and excess salts from the body. They are excreted via urine. It is important in electrolyte balance of our body. So if there is imbalance between electrolytes or ions in our body, then it's a sign of kidney malfunctioning or kidney cancer. What is kidney cancer? Kidney cancer occurs due to genetic mutation in renal cells that can replicate without any control due to these mutations. So there will be an uncontrolled growth. That uncontrolled growth will definitely result into a tumor formation. If that tumor is localized to a specific area, then it will be a benign, and it can be malignant if it spreads to other parts or other organs of the body. It can spread to blood and adjacent lymph nodes and then tissues, and then it metastasis occur. If metastasis occur, then it is termed as a kidney cancer. Otherwise it will be just a benign tumor of kidney. It is more common in males as compared to females. It is diagnosed early, then it will be a treatable case. Otherwise it can be incurable if detected at late stages of life. What is the classification of kidney cancer? There are actually 8 types of renal cancers. Renal cancer of clear cell type, first one. Second is the renal cancer of chromophilic cell type. Third is the renal cancers of chromophobic cell type. The fourth is the renal cancer of oncocytic type cells. Then is the renal cancer of Duct-Bellini type. Next is the renal cancer of transitional cell type. Then is the renal cancer of neuroendocrine type. And the last one is renal cancer of metanephroid type. What are the signs and symptoms that show that a person is having a renal cancer? Hematuria. Hematuria is presence of red blood cells or RBCs in urine. Color of urine will be red. Then is the lower back pain because kidney is present in the lower abdomen area. Then is the fever or high temperature. Then is the weight loss of the patient, lump or swelling. anemia or and fatigue as well. How the diagnosis is performed? There are physical examinations, lab tests and imaging tests. Physical examination, if is carried out, then we will have fever or high temperature and a high blood pressure. If lab tests are being performed, then we will be having complete blood count, urine analysis and serum calcium. If we do urine analysis, we can see hematuria or presence of neutrophils or RBCs in the urine. Serum calcium level is also an important lab test. What are the imaging tests that are carried out to detect renal cancer or kidney cancer? Ultrasound of abdomen will show a deformity in that area where kidney is present. Abdominal CT scan, magnetic resonance imaging or MRI, PET scanning, renal angiography, intravenous pyelogram and chest X-ray. Bone scan as well. Biopsy is usually carried out to confirm the results. Fine needle aspiration cytology is also an important test and core needle biopsy is done. So there is a TNM staging for renal cancer. This staging is done actually to treat or to detect the extent of a tumor. Spread of tumor can be analyzed by TNM staging. Yes. So T naught indicates that no tumor is present. Tx shows that no tumor is detected. If T1, then tumor size less than 2 cm. If T2, then tumor size less than 4 cm. T3 shows tumor size less than 6 cm. T4, tumor invades adjacent tissue. So N category actually shows the metastasis. N naught, no lymph nodes detected. N1, unilateral lymph node will be present, and N2 shows bilateral lymph node detection. M naught, no metastasis, and M1, metastasis is present. So what is the treatment options for kidney or renal cancer? If it has not metastasized, then renal cancer cure rate is 90%. But if it has been metastasized, then its cure rate will be less than 90. If metastasis occurred, then by cytoreductive surgery is being performed. Renal cell carcinoma is resistant to chemo and radiotherapy in most cases. So chemotherapy and radiotherapy are usually of no use. Immunotherapy is a treatment option instead of radiotherapy or chemotherapy. Partial nephrectomy can be done. In this case, benign tumor less than 4 cm are being removed in nephrons. Bilateral partial nephrectomy can be done. It can be done laparoscopic techniques, methods. Radical nephrectomy, it's an invasive procedure. In this case, surgical removal of kidney along with adrenal gland and lymph nodes and perinephric fats are carried out. In cases where tumor has invaded veins, inferior vena cava, even right atrium can be removed surgically to prevent metastasis. Hope you guys really like my video. If you did, then kindly like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.